Alright, Isha, today we will be learning about angles. Okay, so there are four kinds of angles. One is acute, obtuse,
right
right,
angle.
and reflex angles. Okay, right. So what we'll do, we'll start with the very easy one, which is the straight angles. Okay.
Oh yeah, I know that.
So
one.
if this is straight angle, you can have a look on this protractor.
I know what it is.
I know, Isha, you know everything in your life, but sit down and watch now. Okay, watch and learn. Then you can have your opinion later. Come on. So right, so this is the straight line. Okay, so straight line is 180 degrees normally. Okay, so that's 180. That's a straight line. R-A-I-G-H-T. Okay, so this is straight angle. Okay, so Isha, what is this? Straight angle.
Line,
Okay, and if you 180, so that's the very easy one. Okay, the next one, if you see a line like this and if it's like this straight on, what does it call? That's a right angle. Correct.
And can I tell the degree?
Yeah, what's the degree for the right
90.
angle? That's 90 degree. So anything for 90 degrees, so that's a 0. Okay, so if anything is 90 degree, that's a right angle.
Yeah.
Okay, anything less than 90, which is like if it comes up here,
80, 70, 60,
yeah,
50,
so
40,
this one, that one, you know, whichever one, that is an acute angle.
Yep.
Okay, so if I ask you to do a 60 degree, okay, which might look like something similar to that, I believe. Okay, so that might be I might not be 100% accurate, but this might be. So if it is 60 degree, that's an accurate. Yes, might have been here too. Okay, might have been here, but that's not the issue. The issue is if it's like this, that might be 45 degree. So if it is a 45 degree, what kind of angle is that?
Acute.
Acute angle. That's correct. Okay, so for the time being, we just want to find out what are these. Okay, if it is more than 90, so let's say 100, 110, up until 180, what is that? That's obtuse. Okay, so remember, so obtuse. So if this one can be, might be 110.
It could maybe be.
Sorry, excuse me. Okay, so this might be 110.
Yeah.
110. Okay, or so anything. So this is 180. Usha, have a look. This is 180.
Yeah.
Okay, anything. The straight one is right angle.
Yeah.
Anything below 90 degree? Acute. Correct. Anything over 90?
Obtuse.
Up until 180. Okay? So if it's over 180, what do you call them? So if something is like this, you shall look. This is like this. Okay? But if it's like this, that's called reflex angles. Okay? Reflex means actually reverse one. Okay? So that's a reflex angles. So that means
always down.
Yeah, that will be always down. So for example, all the time, if you have we now have a projector in our hand which you can't see, but if you have a look on the projector one, come on here, we'll put it on the TV so you can get a bit more better idea. So if you put it over here, you shall, okay, if you put it like this, what is that? That's a straight line. So that line is a straight angle, correct? But if you put it upside down like this, come here, Isha.
It's the side down way.
That's 180 straight, but then it's going, so it's 270. So that's the reflex angles. So what you're doing, so for example, let's say if you're watching a TV like this, let's see if you're watching. No, let's say we are going to draw a TV. So what we did actually, okay. So now if you put a projector right at this line, which will make it like this, so that's a straight angle. But if it's the same TV, if we just put it like this, okay, so that's a straight line, but other way, so it's a reflex angle. That might be 270 degree reflex angles. Okay, and you know, so these are the things. So now we'll have a look on.
What about clock?
Clock is a round shape. It needs to be it needs to be either a triangle or it kind of a different kind of angle. So now we'll find more things about that.
The fridge